Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. Your breakfast is already prepared. Your house is perfectly clean. The laundry has been folded. The groceries have been organized. And all of it was done by a humanoid robot that never gets tired, never complains, and keeps learning every single day. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie. But according to Tesla, that future is arriving much sooner than most people think. After years of breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, robotics, and engineering, Tesla has introduced its most advanced humanoid robot yet, Optimus Gen 3. This isn't just another robot designed to impress people on stage. Tesla believes Optimus could completely transform factories, warehouses, hospitals, construction sites, businesses, and even our homes. Some experts believe Optimus may eventually become an even bigger product than Tesla's electric cars. But what makes Generation 3 so different? How intelligent is it? Can it really work safely alongside humans, and could it change the future of work forever? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Tesla Optimus Gen 3, from its incredible AI brain and advanced hardware to its expected price, real-world applications, and the ambitious future Elon Musk envisions. Let's get started. Why did Tesla build Optimus? When people hear the name Tesla, they usually think of electric cars. But Elon Musk has repeatedly explained that Tesla has never wanted to be just a car company. Its real mission has always been much bigger. Tesla wants to build technologies that improve human life. First came electric vehicles, then came battery innovation. Next came autonomous driving powered by artificial intelligence. Now Tesla is bringing all of those technologies together inside one humanoid robot. But why make the robot look like a human? The answer is surprisingly simple. Our entire world has already been designed for humans. Factories, homes, hospitals, warehouses, construction sites. Every staircase, every doorway, every machine, every tool, and every workspace has been built around the human body. Instead of redesigning the world for robots, Tesla decided to build a robot that fits naturally into the world we already have. That single decision could make Optimus useful almost anywhere. Whether it's lifting heavy boxes inside a warehouse, helping nurses in a hospital, working on a construction site, or simply folding clothes at home. The same robot can adapt without requiring completely new infrastructure. That's what makes Tesla's vision so powerful. The evolution of Tesla Optimus. The journey to Optimus Gen 3 didn't happen overnight. When Tesla first revealed the Optimus project, many people were skeptical. Some believed it was just another futuristic concept. Others thought it would never become a real product. The first prototype looked promising, but it had obvious limitations. Its walking speed was slow. Its movements appeared stiff. Its balance wasn't perfect. Its hands lacked the precision needed for delicate tasks. Critics questioned whether Tesla could ever compete with robotics companies that had spent decades developing humanoid machines. But Tesla didn't stop. Year after year, engineers improved nearly every part of the robot. The electric motors became smaller, lighter, and more powerful. The joints became stronger and smoother. The cameras became smarter. The onboard computer became significantly faster. Most importantly, the artificial intelligence improved dramatically. Instead of simply following pre-programmed commands, Optimus began learning from real-world experience. Every software update made the robot more capable. Every engineering breakthrough made its movements more natural. Every new generation brought it close, to becoming a practical humanoid assistant. And now, Tesla Optimus Gen 3 represents the biggest leap forward yet. The robot moves more naturally, responds more intelligently, works more efficiently, and performs real-world tasks that earlier generations simply couldn't handle. This isn't just an upgraded prototype. It's the strongest sign yet that Tesla is serious about bringing humanoid robots into everyday life. Meet Tesla Optimus Gen 3. So, what exactly makes Optimus Gen 3 so special? At first glance, it looks remarkably human. Standing roughly the height of an average adult, the robot features long arms, balanced proportions, flexible joints, and highly advanced hands capable of performing everyday tasks. Its sleek white and black exterior isn't just designed to look futuristic. It also protects the sophisticated hardware hidden beneath its outer shell. Unlike robots designed to imitate every human facial feature, Tesla focused on something much more important: functionality. Every joint has been engineered for smooth movement. Every sensor works together to understand the surrounding environment. Every component has been optimized for maximum efficiency. Unlike traditional factory robots that stay locked in one place, Optimus is designed to move freely. It can walk through buildings, open doors, carry heavy objects, use tools, climb stairs, organize inventory, and even pick up fragile objects without damaging them. This flexibility allows one robot to perform hundreds of different jobs instead of only one repetitive task. That's one of the biggest reasons Optimus could become useful across almost every industry. Powered by Tesla artificial intelligence, the real magic of Optimus Gen 3 isn't its mechanical body, it's what's inside its head. Artificial intelligence. Tesla has spent years building one of the world's most advanced AI systems through its full self-driving program. Every single day, millions of Tesla vehicles collect enormous amounts of real-world driving information. Those vehicles continuously recognize roads, people, traffic signs, moving vehicles, animals, unexpected obstacles, weather conditions, and thousands of other situations. That massive amount of real-world data has trained powerful neural networks capable of making incredibly fast decisions. Tesla is now bringing much of that same AI technology into Optimus. Instead of following fixed instructions, the robot understands what it sees. If someone suddenly walks into its path, it reacts immediately. If an object changes position, the robot notices. If the environment changes, Optimus adapts almost instantly. Rather than behaving like a simple machine, it behaves more like an intelligent assistant. That ability makes it far more useful in dynamic environments where conditions constantly change. Seeing the world like humans. One of the hardest challenges in robotics has always been vision. Humans recognize objects almost instantly. Without thinking, we know the difference between a chair, a cup, a person, a tool, or a staircase. Teaching a robot to understand the world in the same way is incredibly difficult. Tesla approaches this challenge using cameras instead of relying on expensive laser scanners. Multiple high-resolution cameras positioned around Optimus's head constantly observe everything around it. The onboard AI processes this information in real time. Instead of simply detecting shapes, the robot identifies objects, measures distances, predicts movement, recognizes people, tracks obstacles, and plans the safest path through its surroundings. Whether working inside a warehouse, walking through a busy factory, or helping inside someone's home, Optimus continuously analyzes its environment to move safely and efficiently. This camera-first approach also makes the robot more affordable while allowing software improvements to enhance its abilities over time. Designed to learn, traditional industrial robots are programmed to repeat exactly the same movement over and over. If the task changes, engineers usually have to rewrite the software. Tesla wants something completely different. Instead of programming every possible action, they train Optimus using artificial intelligence. The robot watches demonstrations, learns patterns, practices repeatedly, receives feedback, and gradually improves through experience. Just like humans become better through practice, Optimus also becomes faster, more accurate, and more reliable over time. That means the robot you buy today could become significantly smarter tomorrow through software updates. Just like Tesla vehicles continue improving long after leaving the factory. Human-like hands. One of the most impressive upgrades in Gen 3 is its new robotic hands. Think about everything your own hands do every day. Typing on a keyboard, opening a bottle, holding your smartphone, using a screwdriver, carrying groceries, picking up a fragile glass. These simple actions are actually some of the hardest challenges in robotics. Tesla designed Optimus with advanced multi-finger hands capable of making incredibly precise movements. Each finger moves independently. Force sensors constantly measure grip pressure. If the robot picks up a raw egg, it automatically applies just enough force to hold it safely. If it lifts a heavy toolbox, it instantly increases grip strength. This incredible level of dexterity opens the door for thousands of real-world applications across manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, retail, and even household chores. Powerful new actuators. So what allows Optimus Gen 3 to move so naturally? The answer lies in its new generation of electric actuators. Think of actuators as the robot's muscles. Just as our muscles allow us to walk, lift, bend, and run, actuators provide every movement Optimus makes. For Generation 3, Tesla completely redesigned these systems. The new actuators are lighter, more compact, far more powerful, and significantly more energy efficient than before. This allows the robot to squat, twist, kneel, reach overhead, climb stairs, and lift heavy objects with smooth, human-like movements. More importantly, these improved actuators produce greater strength while consuming less electricity. That means lower operating costs, longer working hours, and better overall performance. For businesses planning to deploy thousands of robots, those efficiency improvements could save millions of dollars over time. Built for real work. Unlike many humanoid robots shown only in demonstrations, Tesla built Optimus with one goal: doing useful work. The company envisions the robot working across nearly every major industry. Inside factories, it can assemble products and transport materials. In warehouses, it can organize inventory and prepare shipments. At construction sites, it can lift heavy equipment and perform hazardous tasks. Inside hospitals, it can move medical supplies and assist healthcare workers. Hotels could use Optimus for cleaning and delivering items. Retail stores could use it to organize shelves and manage stock. Even homes could benefit from a robot capable of cleaning, folding laundry, preparing meals, and assisting elderly family members. Instead of replacing human creativity, Optimus is designed to remove repetitive and physically demanding work, allowing people to focus on leadership, innovation, problem-solving, and the jobs that require human judgment. Already working inside Tesla. One of Tesla's biggest advantages is something very few competitors have: its own factories. Instead of waiting for customers to buy Optimus, Tesla can deploy thousands of robots inside its own production facilities. Every day, these robots perform real work. Every task generates valuable data. Engineers study their performance, identify weaknesses, improve the software, then send updates back to every robot. This creates a powerful learning cycle. The more Optimus works, the smarter it becomes. The smarter it becomes, the more useful it becomes. That's exactly how Tesla improved its self-driving technology. Now, it's using the same strategy for humanoid robotics. How much will Optimus cost? One of the biggest questions everyone asks is simple. How much will Tesla Optimus Gen 3 cost? Tesla hasn't officially announced a final retail price. However, Elon Musk has suggested that once production reaches a very large scale, Optimus could eventually cost somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000. At first, that may sound expensive, but think about what this robot could actually do. Unlike a machine built for only one task, Optimus can perform hundreds of different jobs. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need lunch breaks. It can continue learning through software updates. For businesses, one versatile robot could replace multiple specialized machines. And as production scales, the cost could continue falling, just as Tesla vehicles became more affordable over time. The challenge is ahead. Despite all the excitement, Tesla still faces enormous challenges. Building a truly capable humanoid robot is one of the hardest engineering problems ever attempted. Battery life must improve. Artificial intelligence must become even more reliable. The robot must safely operate around people in unpredictable environments. Maintenance costs need to remain affordable. Governments will also need new regulations for robots working in public spaces. There are important questions about employment, ethics, and privacy that society will have to answer. The road ahead won't be easy, but Tesla has already overcome many challenges that once seemed impossible. Elon Musk's long-term vision. Elon Musk believes humanoid robots could eventually become more common than cars. It's an ambitious prediction, But if Optimus becomes affordable, reliable, and highly capable, the demand could be enormous. Factories, warehouses, hospitals, construction companies, hotels, restaurants, farms, retail stores, and even millions of me's around the world could benefit from a versatile humanoid assistant. May represent the next great technological revolution. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 is more than just another robot. It combines artificial intelligence, computer vision, advanced batteries, precision engineering, and years of Tesla's technological experience into one remarkable machine. While many challenges remain, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. The future of robotics is no longer a distant dream. It's already beginning. Whether Optimus transforms every workplace or simply becomes another powerful tool, its impact on the world could be enormous. So here's a question for you. Would you trust a Tesla Optimus Gen 3 robot in your home or workplace? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI, Tesla, robotics, and future technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.